students, now I am going to discuss the topic vacuoles. You know, earlier we have studied, if we talk about the structure of cell, so you came to know that this is cell. Inside the cell there is nucleus, then endoplasmic reticulum, then Golgi apparatus, then mitochondria, lysosomes, ribosomes that I told you earlier. They may be occurred in free condition inside the cytoplasm, and they may be attached with endoplasmic reticulum, RER, SER, that I explained in my previous video. Now, and we have till now we have studied all the significant cell organelles present inside the cell. Now, the last organelle that is mentioned in your NCERT is vacuoles. Vacuoles are like empty pouches or empty sacs present inside the cell. These vacuoles or empty pouches, or they act in different ways. But the basic function of these vacuoles is same. They are supposed to store the materials. They are supposed to store the things in them. Means sometimes they possesses food material in them, then they are act as a food vacuole. Sometimes they store some waste material in them, then they act as a excretory vacuoles. Sometimes they store some other physiologically important material in them, then they are referred as physiological vacuoles. So these vacuoles are very important, and one thing that I would like to clear, that in plant cell the vacuoles are bigger in size, and they occupy about 50 to 90% the size of the cell. Among the total size, approx 50 to 90% of the cell space is occupied by these vacuoles that present in plant cell. And inside the animal cell, the vacuoles are quite smaller. And because in plant cell the vacuoles occupy major space inside the cell, and they are if they are not containing food, if they are not containing waste, then they contain cell sap in them. Cell sap in them means particular type of fluid of cell that present inside the cell, maybe cytoplasm or quite different from cytoplasm. So these vacuole which are larger in size in plant cell, they contain cell sap in them, and these cell sap in plant cell, they play a main function, and that main function is what? They provide They provide rigidity to the cell. Rigidity means they helpful to maintain the structure and shape and size of the cell. So this is what a general feature of a vacuole. A vacuole is nothing. They are like storage sacs. They are empty pouches. Sometimes they store food in them. Sometimes they store waste, and sometimes other material. Also maybe amino acid, maybe glucose, or maybe some other secretory fluid also. And if nothing from all this, then they store cell sap in them and provide rigidity to the cell. I told you earlier, inside the animal cell, the vacuoles are smaller, and they play a very important role in the physiology of that animal cell. So guys, now this is the last topic of the chapter, vacuole, and I summarize you here. This is all about the cell, and as I told you, I summarize the whole topic. But one thing I also would like to mention, that these vacuoles are very much important in unicellular organism like amoeba or paramecium likewise, because in unicellular organism these vacuoles are very important, not only to store the food or not only to store the waste, but they are also very helpful to maintain the physiology of the cell accordingly of that unicellular organism. Physiology means when a unicellular organism is occurred in what medium? What medium means inside the water, suppose salinity may be differ, mineral content may be differ. So these vacuoles are supposed to store the required content in them, or these vacuoles are supposed to store the waste material in them according to the requirement of the cell.